Aloha mahalo, my lovelies. I am Renu. Wish you all a very happy Navratri. In this festive season, I'm going to present a few videos to you, focusing on certain areas of your life and helping you clear a few limitations from each of those areas. Today, I'm going to talk about our body. You see, our body is a magnificent tool for us to create a life that we truly desire, a grand life. However, most of the times we end up treating it like a limitation. Things like, because I'm fat, I cannot exercise. Because I'm fat, I cannot wear a sari. I had that. And I've broken these two limitations for sure. Look at me now. I love wearing saris all the time. Alright, so today I thought of helping you with certain tools to clear some of the limitations. I'm going to use tools from Access Consciousness, and you will hear me repeatedly saying something like right and wrong, good and bad, pod and poc, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. This is called the Access Clearing Statement. To know more about it, please visit the website theclearingstatement.com. Alright, so let's begin our relationship, a new relationship with our body today. I would like you to relax and sit in a comfortable position for this. You may also lie down if you feel like. Now, take a few deep breaths. Inhale and exhale. Inhale peace. Exhale all the stress. Inhale peace. Exhale all the anxiety. Inhale peace. Exhale all the heaviness. Now just concentrate on my voice and allow the energies to flow through you and work with you. Please destroy and uncreate all the pestures you and I have from this session. Right and wrong, good and bad, pod and poc, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. Please destroy and uncreate all the projections, expectations, separations, judgments and rejections you have of yourself, your body and everything you and your body would like to create. Right and wrong, good and bad, pod and poc, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. Please destroy and uncreate your relationship with your body now. Right and wrong, good and bad, pod and poc, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. Everything you have done to eat to avoid being the space of you or to fill up being the space of you by eating or by any other means, please destroy and uncreate all that times a godzillion. Right and wrong, good and bad, pod and poc, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. What do you love about never being totally kind and caring to you and your body? Everything that is, please destroy and uncreate it times a godzillion now. Right and wrong, good and bad, pod and poc, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. What energy, space, consciousness, choice and possibility can you be to be as infinitely kind and caring for yourself and your body as you truly be? Everything that doesn't allow it, please destroy and uncreate it times a godzillion now. Right and wrong, good and bad, pod and poc, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. How many pains, stiffness or checkouts do you currently have in your body that are actually from the earth or the people on it demanding or requiring your assistance? Everything that allows that to stay stuck, please destroy and uncreate it all and let it go now, please. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3. Right and wrong, good and bad, pod and poc, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. Everything you've done to create non-stop chants of judgment of your body as the way to start and end your day, please destroy and uncreate all that times a godzillion now. Right and wrong, good and bad, pod and poc, all nine shorts, boys and beyond. What creation of your body from fixed thoughts, feelings, emotions, fixed realities, fixed lies and fixed beingnesses are you using to create limitations you cannot change are you choosing? Everything that is, please destroy and uncreate it times a godzillion now. Right and wrong, good and bad, pod and poc, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. What energy, space, consciousness, choice, magic, mystery, miracles and possibilities must you and your body be to create what you truly desire with total ease? Everything that doesn't allow that, please destroy and uncreate it times a godzillion now. Right and wrong, good and bad, pod and poc, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. Wherever you have eclipsed your and your body's infinite possibilities, please destroy and uncreate it times a godzillion now. Right and wrong, good and bad, pod and poc, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. What magic beyond this reality are you and your body? And can you and your body choose to be? That would change everything for you right away. Everything that doesn't allow that to show up, please destroy and uncreate it times a godzillion now. Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. Now, please keep your eyes closed. Be with your body. Be with your breath. Now feel the outer edges of your body energetically. Let your consciousness expand beyond your body. Now allow your consciousness to go beyond the room that you are in. Now see how your consciousness expands beyond the city that you live in. Please allow your consciousness to expand beyond Mother Earth. Let your consciousness expand beyond the entire solar system. Allow your consciousness to go beyond the universe and even further if you feel like. Let your consciousness be there and bring your awareness back to your body. Feel this energy and integrate it in every cell of your being. And once you're ready, please open your eyes with a big, big smile. So this was my contribution to all of you today. And yes, I have a homework for you. I would like you to keep asking certain questions to your body to strengthen your bond with it. Ask your body, what would you like to look like today? Body, what would you like to wear today? Body, what would you like to eat? Things like this. Also, if you wish to create and have something in your life, ask your body to contribute. The question to ask would be something like, body, will you please help me create this? Or, body, how can we both create this? Alright, that's all for today, my lovelies. Wish you all a beautiful festive season and I'm going to see you soon. Aloha Mahalo.